Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the CSR2 game. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the CSR2 game, then in order to log into your existing account, you will need to log into your Google Play Games account. If you haven't installed Google Play, simply open up your App Store and then search for Google Play Games. Once you find the application, tap on the Install button and then open it up by tapping on Open. After opening the application, simply select the Google account that you want to use to log into your existing CSR2 account. And once you log into your Google Play Games account, you can simply open up the CSR2 game. And now, considering that you have logged in using your previous saved account, you will be automatically logged in using your Google Play Games account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.